Welcome back to Eatsy, where if we can make it, so can you, because it's Eatsy. Here's the easiest 3-ingredient cookie recipe that you're ever going to find. Start with 2 overripe bananas, throw them in a bowl. Mush them up until they look like this. Then add a heaping tablespoon of peanut butter, and then a cup of quick oats. Stir it up until it looks like this. If you want, you can add chocolate chips, or you can add M&Ms, or nothing at all. Put them on a pan. Put them in the oven. Add heat. Then you have cookies. Feed them to your husband. He loved it. Seriously though, these are the quickest cookies that you're ever going to find. It only takes 3 ingredients. And they don't get hard or crunchy because of the moisture of the bananas in them. And it's also easily scalable, so if you have more bananas, just throw in more oats and more peanut butter. Or if you have less bananas, just use less of each ingredient. You'll put them in the oven at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. When you take them out of the oven, be sure to let them sit and cool for a little bit because the hot banana is very hot. We hope you love them as much as we do. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and give a like if you want to.